In this course, we will be focusing on the following learning outcomes: describing the contract management framework, and identifying the ways in which value may be created or destroyed through effective contract management. We will explore how to define the role of the contract manager, and understand how that role relates to other stakeholders supporting effective contract management. We will also identify the tools and resources that are appropriate at each phase of contract management. And finally, we will help you to understand what a value-risk approach to contract management means, and adopt processes consistent with the risk and value profile of the contract. Contract management is an important process that requires thoughtful consideration to ensure value creation and protection for your organization. The first step in effective contract management, as outlined by the Contract Management Framework, involves understanding your contract's strengths and weaknesses. This assessment is typically undertaken through a review of performance goals, whilst considering key stakeholders involved with supporting those objectives. This allows you to manage your risk exposure during the contract, based on what's happening at each phase. It will also allow you to identify tools and resources appropriate for different phases, and finally, to make sure all parties understand how they can use these resources strategically, so there won't be any surprises later on.
The topics covered in this session are roles and responsibilities and the contract management framework. We'll also talk about why planning is so important and is essential if you want any project or task to be completed successfully.